Hola, hi cutie pies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Coach unboxing. So I've really been in a whole mood for the Sullivan Sling packs. I have this one right here. This is a beautiful Sullivan Sling pack, and also from that line I went ahead and picked up the Sullivan Crossbody. So here is this little cutie right here. It's called the Sullivan Crossbody. If you like videos like these, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's unbox this beauty. So she came packaged with a couple of other items, and when I took her out, this is the way they had her wrapped, and this one was completely wrapped like new from the store. One of the other ones that I unboxed the other day was already, I think it was like a store display, but this one is completely packaged and everything and wrapped up. So let's go ahead and start unwrapping this beauty. I love these bags in my collection. They are so nice just to wear when you're out and about around town. And this crossbody one is going to be really cute. I hope you guys have been enjoying and checking out my bikini and bag series that I have going on my channel. I wanted to talk a little bit more about bikinis and bags, handbags that you could wear at the beach. And some of the bags that I show in my bikini and bag series are leather bags, and I would more so wear them going to the beach, like if I'm just sitting at the little bar. You know how most beach areas have a little bar or a tavern area where you can go and order yourself a drink. I would probably use a more canvas bag for a beach bag, because of course you don't want to get, you know, your wet towel and stuff on your good leather bags, but nonetheless all of these bags you can sport them if you're just at the boardwalk on the beach. And this bag is really cute. This I would probably more use at like an amusement park. I would probably take this casually every day with me, like if I'm going out to run errands, if I'm going to go to Whole Foods or just to the store. This would make a nice little crossbody that I could use and carry with me while I'm out and about shopping. This is the Sullivan Crossbody, and this bag, these are from the men's line. I say that all the time because not everybody watches every video, so sometimes I find myself, you know, repeating and saying, telling you guys again, so that the new people that are just coming on the channel, you know, kind of know and understand what we're talking about here with some of these bags. So this bag right here, I would probably just use it, you know, to run errands casually. So they have the strap tucked away inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the strap out. So here is the strap, and they have the strap all wrapped up. So hold tight for a minute. Let me go ahead and unwrap this strap. Whew. I'm back, you guys. That strap, me and this strap fought for a good while until I was able to go ahead and get it totally unwrapped. They had so much foam wrapping on this strap to protect it. So I appreciate that, and this is what it looks like. I love the color contrast of the darker strap on the chalk. It looks so pretty. Once again, this bag right here has double tags from the men's line. So you get a leather Coach tag, and you get a hardware tag that's in a gunmetal smoky gray dark color. Beautiful up against the chalk. And I also have the chalk in the Sullivan Sling pack. So this is the Sullivan Sling pack, and this is the Sullivan Crossbody, both from the men's line. However, both these lovely bags can also be carried by ladies. It's gonna look so cute on you crossbody when you're running your errands. I absolutely love these two Sullivan bags, and the chalk color is just so beautiful. So I hope you girls enjoyed this video. I hope the camera shows the chalk color very nice on this crossbody. And I think it came in signature, the brown signature, like this Sullivan right here. And then I think it came in the chalk as well as it came in the black. I think those are the only 3 colors available online for the Sullivan that I saw. Oh, I do stand corrected. The Sling pack also came in denim chambray, and this Sling pack also came in a lovely burgundy color. So it came in the denim chambray, the burgundy, the chalk, the brown signature, and I think black. This one I believe came in denim chambray, black, brown signature, and the burgundy color as well. So those are maybe 5 colors that I believe this bag was available online. I'll try to insert pictures throughout the video of some of the additional colors. I hope you had fun with me today, joining me for this video on the Coach Sullivan Crossbody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out my other videos on Coach handbags, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.